Hello friends, today we'll talk about kitchen countertop organization. So our kitchen is L-shaped kitchen. So let's go near to all the counters so that I'll explain you everything much better. See, on your right hand side, if you see, I have this counter which I have kept all the steel vessels inside. So and here is how I've kept the fruit bowls. And then if you come towards your left hand side, this is how the topper portion looks. So this is how it is. So this is how the topper portion looks. So then here is we have made this little stand to keep all the spices. So it's basically daily use spices. So this is how it is. And if you come, here is the steel a stand which has a steel, so where I have kept sugar, tea powder and coffee powder, which is used daily. So this is how we have made again daily use things we have kept like this on a plywood. So it's basically the first one is oil and the other one is a teaspoon holder, and third one is to grind something in case like almond or anything. So and third is just a holder for lighter, and the other one, the clay one, which we have kept as a decor. The other one is the coffee filter. So this is how the stove is and the chimney, and this is how we have decorated. So this is how it is. Inside this we have the water purifier. So this is how the water purifier is. This is how it is, and this is how the last one. Here near the sink we have made this stand to hold the dishwash and the scrubber. So the towel, this is how we have kept two plants here, and then this is how the sink is. So this is how the overall organization. I'll just show you once again. So the topper portion, and the down portion. The sink unit and the gas, the stove, gas stove, and this is how the counter looks. So if you like this organization, please do subscribe. Thank you.